No way! All tacos are not created equal.
He makes the best tacos.
True story. Aloha family, and welcome to the joys of cooking. Today is a very special day in the history of the Felixes. It is our 5-year anniversary, and it is such that my beautiful wife here, she decides what we will eat and what I will cook for our anniversary dinner.
Yes.
And it is
Tacos.
tacos.
He makes the best tacos.
I will share with you folks our from scratch Queso Blanco, a sexy salsa verde, cilantro lime crema, cremita, Chipotle Aioli, but Pico De Gallo looks very nice. And then I'm gonna make an old school guacamole. And Michelle's favorite, from scratch tortillas. Pickled shallots and pickled jalapenos just to give it a little bit. Shrimp taco. Eggs, garlic mushroom tacos.
Yeah, that's good.
For all you vegetarians out there. And for myself, Carne Asada. I like the meat. Without further ado, anniversary tacos. 5-year anniversary. It is the best 5 years I've had in my entire existence. So now I'm gonna take all these beautiful ingredients that lay before me and we're gonna start jamming out. So first off, we go with Queso Blanco. 4 cups of milk, and you're gonna bring that to a full boil. Lemon juice extractor. Juice de lemon. Great grandmother to make queso fresco. The cow's goodness. Then the lime juice. Half of the lemon juice. And you see all that, how it's separating, all that yellowish color. Very nice. Now family, I have my setup. I have a mini colander, a little bowl to catch all the water, a little strainer, cheesecloth. We let it sit for 10 minutes. Go. I'm gonna squeeze all the water and the best weight in Mortar and Pestle. So after the Queso Blanco is in the fridge, we make our Salsa Verde. Tomatillo, very sour if you eat it itself, raw just like this. We'll clip the tomatillo's wings. Poor thing. We cut the clove in half, our onions, and massage them with a little bit of avocado oil, beautiful red and green jalapenos. And we're gonna let the onions get a nice char. We'll do the same with the tomatillos. Give it that old school when grandma was cooking outside on open fire. We take the tomatillo, then we'll cut it in half, long way. I'll put an X, but it smells really divine. Garlic, and insert it right into the center of the tomatillo. And then 400-degree oven for 6 minutes. So our beautiful jalapenos are very nice. Our onions are beautiful. The onion. We're gonna do this the way grandma used to make it in the wilderness, in her mortar and pestle. Cilantro family. Main ingredient. I'm just gonna chop it up to help it along. Mortar pestle party. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of lime zest, a little bit of lime juice, and then we go to town on making la salsa. So I'm gonna be pickling jalapeno. That smell is magnifico. And we're gonna pickle some shallots. Half a cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of rice vinegar, and half a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then we put it on the heat, and we're gonna bring that up to a boil and let it simmer for around a minute or 2. We will make slices of our jalapenos. I'm gonna put the shallots. And why shallots? I gotta pull out all the tricks to take my wife to Flavor Town with these tacos. Pour the liquid, pickled goodness inside the refrigerator. We marinate the proteins. Magnificent copacetic marinade. You can see that. Flank steak or skirt steak, I like Triton because we want to seal these flavors. Copacetic marinade, a little bit of that salsa verde. The acidity of the tomato, it's gonna be very nice. So then we wrap it in copacetic marinade. 1150 shrimp is very nice. A spoonful of our salsa verde. So, suffering succotash. It has that. So family, this taco journey, it's a special journey for me. Lots of love to the proteins, lots of love to all the ingredients. Flavor Town is my only objective. Cremita, AKA Mexican crema, half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, cilantro, seasoned with a little salt, consistency of double cream. Taste. Banging out the boogie, that sauce right there. Squirt bottle, folks. Oh yeah, this is gonna go on everything. A quick test. Beautimous. If you can do this, you can do anything. All right, family, now we're in our Chipotle Aioli. Half a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon chipotle peppers, 1 tablespoon of our salsa verde, and that is all. Chef hack. Cellophane, plastic. The whole squirt bottle is very small. The pour on the Vita mix, it's a little too big. Once you empty your delicious contents, then you pack it up like so. Once it's in a little ball, little incision, and then zero waste. There's nothing left, and my shirt is still white. Clean! Chef hat, nice and clean. So let's taste these bad boys together. A little bit of chipotle, cremita. Oh, wait! So good! Party in the mouth. Danger. I can just take a straw, sit back at the beach, and have that by itself. Pico De Gallo, using my cilantro stem just because that flavor packs a punch. A beautiful Pico De Gallo. I'm gonna make salsa to cook the mushroom. A nice grandmama flavor. Spicy. Now we make our guacamole in a mortar and pestle. Add 1 ounce of Pico De Gallo, half of this beautiful avocado, some garlic slivers in there, a tablespoon of lime juice, a dash of salt, some pepper, give it some more love. Wifey is gonna be a happy camper. Oh yes, she is! Our guacamole. Very nice. So finally we have our fresh tortillas. We have 1 cup of masa, half a cup of water. Squirt bottle, amazing. Here our masa is done. Remember, you can always add, but you can never, ever take away. 1 ounce balls. I'm gonna wrap it in a little knot, like so. I'm gonna make the steak first. So the steak, it has time to rest. A little bit of salt right on the top. A little pepper, and a little love. We're gonna skewer our shrimp and keep the shells of the shrimp because this weekend I'm gonna make Michelle some shrimp bisque. So everything can be utilized, tails and all. Salt and pepper for the mushrooms and the same for the squid. Some of the salsa verde.
Then we baste the final side for the beef. We baste the mushrooms and the shrimp with the salsa. And then we let the steak rest.
Family, a big mahalo to all our subscribers, and to you, thank you for joining us on this beautiful occasion, our special day, our anniversary, and Michelle's Taco Day. God bless you, and please be kind to yourself and to each other. Aloha. See how this tastes. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Cheers.
Oh wow.
Oh, wait! Flavor
Okay.
Town. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do so.